This is JC with PRG Defense. We're here introducing our Python series and Anaconda series thermals. These units, we have rifle scopes and clip-ons, as you see in front of you, to meet your thermal needs. These units are 384 by 288 resolution. The 50 millimeter option of the Python will detect the mass-sized target out to 500 yards. The 35 millimeter option will detect a mass-sized target out to 325 yards. They're great assets to have. These units are built with a ULIS sensor inside them. I went over the resolution. They're polymer and they're very lightweight, so they won't wear you out picking up your rifle every, so often, every 15-20 minutes that you're viewing out there. If you're in a, hiking or in a blind. What else can I say about these? They're resilient units. They're tested to 308, 300 Win Mag, 300 Blackout, and they're ready for whenever you're ready to buy. We'll be here. Give us a call or email us at prgdefense.com.
What's the MSRP on these units?
The MSRP on these units, the 50 millimeter option of the Python is $2,500 here at the show. The map, as you can see here, is a little higher. It's 20 for the 35. It's $27.95, and for the 50, it is $29.95. But we have show specials. If you're looking to buy one here at the show, we're ready to take your order, and we'll get you yours as fast as possible. We're ready to ship.